You ready for some peas? Let's check it out. You can smell them, can't you? Oh, you don't like peas, do you? Oh, you're just not sure. Oh, it's so bad. Littler bites, Daddy. Oh, maybe no more. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. No more. Oh, ow. Say, oh, Dad, give me some sweet potatoes. Make that go away. Ah. Ugh. Is that better? Is it better? Still not any better. You still taste the peas, don't you, baby? Aww.